This 2004 Fleetwood Expedition 38N is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features LP detector, water heater, air conditioning, slide-out, stove-top burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, awning, external shower, TV, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.